morning students. Today we discuss question number 4 in our exercise. Now see what is the question number 4. Let's see here. Electric cell having potential different 2 volt each have been connected in the form of a battery. Here cells are connected in the form of battery. What will the total potential difference of the battery in both cases? And we have to find out the total potential difference. Okay. So what is here given? Electrical cell having potential difference 2 volt means each cell having potential difference 2 volt. Okay. This is potential difference is 2 volt. Now what is the here connection in first case? Given that three cells are connected here. First cell, this is positive, negative terminal, negative terminal, positive terminal, negative terminal. Here these three cells are connected. Okay, and each cell having potential difference 2 volt. Means this first cell having potential difference 2 volt, second cell having potential difference 2 volt, third cell having potential difference 2 volt, and we have to find out the total potential difference. That is the total potential difference in this battery. When one cell is connected, then we say that cell is connected, but more than one cell is connected, then we say that it is a battery. Now here total potential difference in battery we have to find out. So we write here total potential difference in battery is equal to here 2 volt plus 2 volt plus 2 volt, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 volt. Here total potential difference in the battery is 6 volt. Okay, because here three cells are connected and each having 2 volt potential difference. So total potential difference in this battery is 6 volt. Okay. Now let us consider again next example. Next, that is the second series. In second battery, here we have given that in second example, what is given that there are 4 cells. 4 cells are connected in this manner series here. These are the 4 cells, positive, negative, plus, minus here. Each having, again, each cell having potential difference 2 volt. So we can write here this is 2 volt, this is 2 volt, this is 2 volt, this is 2 volt. And now we have to find out total potential difference in battery. Now say what is the total potential difference in this battery? Yes, guess it. Guess how we can write here? Yes, similarly, just as first, means addition of this potential difference 2 volt, 2 volt, 2 volt, 2 volt. So what is the answer? Yes, it is 8 volt. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is equal to here 8 volt. This is the potential difference. In this manner, you can write the answer of this question number 4. Now, let's consider second example. Second question is that a battery is to be formed by joining 3 dry cells, then with connecting wire. Means we have joined 3 dry cells with connecting wire. Show how will you connect the wire by drawing diagram, and we have to show that how this dry cell we connected in our circuit or in our diagram. Okay, so let us consider the solution. How we can draw the diagram? First we take here how many dry cells we use in this example? There are 3 dry cells. These are the 3 dry cells. So consider 3 dry cells. First dry cell, here I draw a figure. This is suppose first dry cell. This is second one dry cells, and this is third one, dry cell. Each dry cells have two terminals. You know that there are two terminals here. One is positive and one is negative. Okay. So here this is cap-like structure. This is cap-like structure on the top of the cell, and this is nothing but the here positive. This is positive charge, positive charge. That is positive electrons. It works as a positive electrodes. And here in this side at the bottom, this is negative. This is negative terminal, negative terminal, negative terminal. Okay. So these are the three dry cells. And now we are going to this three dry cell connecting. We connect this dry cell. Now here take a connecting wire, and now here we put the connection in this manner. This wire is connected to this negative terminal of the cell, and again here from positive terminal we connect the connecting wire to the negative terminal in this manner. Positive terminal is connected to the negative terminal. Again this positive terminal is connected to the negative terminal, and this from this positive terminal we can complete in this manner this figure, or in this manner we can connect this dry cell first, second, third. Now let us observe the figure. Here this positive terminal is connected to the negative terminal. If we connected this positive to this positive, if we connected this positive to this positive, this in this manner, then this is wrong. This is wrong. It is necessary to connect this positive terminal to the negative terminal. And if we want to draw circuit diagram, for circuit diagram, we can draw in this manner. Positive terminal, long line, vertical lines. This short vertical line, this is negative terminal. This is positive one, this is negative one. Again this negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal. Again this negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal of battery. And in this manner, in our circuit diagram, we represent this in this manner. Again remember that here positive terminal and negative terminal. Here negative is connected to positive, negative is connected to positive. Okay. In this manner we should connect here. If we connect negative to negative or positive to positive, then this is wrong. So we can draw this figure. We show the connection of wire, to join in this cell. So draw this in your notebook and solve this question number 2, question number 4 in your notebook.